Noise, I think, is a very good friend. You want me to make one more?
Yeah.
Okay. We are leaving. We are going to. There's 1 week left for my birthday, so it's Fab India. Jaipur of Fab India. Fab India. This is so pretty. I want to buy it. Yay! Thank you. I got my Birkin stuff. This looks really good. Amazing. It's really, really good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing very well. It's a weekday and today we are gonna make breakfast. So we woke up, it's my birthday month, so I was doing a little shopping and I added a lot of stuff on H&M, on like the Uniqlo app, and what's the other one I added? I think it was just H&M and Uniqlo. Yeah, no, Zara I didn't add any. Oh yeah, Zara, my shoes. But I haven't bought anything yet, but I'm gonna do that today. Anyway, it's almost time for Manjot to log in. So I'm gonna quickly make breakfast. I'm gonna make the same that I've made before, but I haven't cooked for a long time, so yeah. Chicken nuggets from Noise. I've never had it before. So let's see how it is. I will let you guys know. Noise, I think, is a very good brand and they should sponsor me because I have a lot of their stuff. I also got this. Not healthy, but I was craving for chips and I don't eat a lot of what I'm craving for, but I make sure I eat a little so that I don't think about it and end up eating a lot later. Anyway, let's go make breakfast. I'm gonna make the pita bread and nugget sandwich. Let's get the day started. I have to straighten my hair, I have to make the bed, I have a lot to do. So yeah, let's get the day started. Please keep watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I put all of these nuggets. I think we're gonna have 2 pita breads each. Whatever, even if there's extra nuggets, it's okay. It's not like I'm frying them. I'm very hungry. Good morning. What are you doing? People will take you seriously, Manjo.
Yes.
Just shut up. We need to put these things in the car, by the way. And I need to do so much of laundry. Okay, so my nuggets are kind of done. We also used the Noise pita bread. I mean, to toast korechi, you don't have to toast, but I like it toasted. And I've also cut cucumbers. I'm now gonna put some olive hummus, garlic dip. Yeah, and then eat. I'm so hungry. It's already 11. Okay, so I've put the garlic dip and the hummus. Now I'm gonna put the cucumbers and the nuggets that are still in the air fryer. Okay, so it's ready. We just have to close it. I put the nuggets. These are a few extra ones. I'm very hungry. Let's go. Babe, how is it? Really good, no?
One more.
You want me to make one more?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at this. So there was some leftover roti and Didi made like the kotu paratha type and it's so yummy. I'm so sad now that there were only like 2-3 rotis left. This is very yummy. Very yummy. It's 12:20 and we have been drinking the ABC juice. If you don't know what it is, it's basically apple, beetroot and carrot, and apparently it's very good for health, especially for girls. So I had most of it. I'm gonna leave like a little for Manjot because he should also have it. I'm just editing now, then we'll see. We'll have lunch. We're having something different for lunch today. So Didi just gave me this. She's so sweet. Hello everyone, it's around 5:30. We are leaving. We are going to Phoenix Mall. There's 1 week left for my birthday, so we're just gonna go shop around and probably eat something and come back. It's a Friday, so I'm super excited. We were supposed to go to Aarti Nagar today to the Bongo Utsav, but I'm not going today because it's fine now, but it was just raining and I don't know when it'll rain next, and there's gonna be a lot of traffic. It was showing 2 hours from here to there, one way. So I thought, why not just go tomorrow morning? Tomorrow's also a busy day, but let's go to Phoenix Mall for now. I just hope I find something. Okay, so আমরা almost পৌঁছে গেছি. It took us 25 minutes. Imagine, it should take us like 5 minutes, but it took us 25 minutes. We are just going to take the U-turn now, and then I'm kind of hungry. Should we shop first or eat first?
Shops will shut down first, so usually restaurants will join.
Okay.
Grab a bite.
Okay, we'll see. I also got some stuff. I ordered it online from H&M. This is one of them. This is just the normal t-shirt that I have in many colors. So I mean, eta pore chole eschi. And then I'll go home and show you guys what I got from H&M. It's very casual, but I'm thinking I'll just wear it for my birthday. Phoenix Mall. Which shop do you want to go to first? I think I'm gonna go to maybe Sephora first. I got all of my makeup, like the foundation shade and everything, so I might just go to Sephora first and buy stuff. Okay, we've parked the car. How do we know where? Oh, J20.
This place before you.
Okay, of course we're gonna go to Jaipur or Fab India. Jaipur or Fab India? Fab India first. Ki sundar dikhte. We didn't get anything in Fab India. Now we're going to Jaipur. So as soon as we entered Jaipur, we started looking around, and of course, I went straight to the home decor section. The collection wasn't really new except for a few pieces here and there, but what actually caught my attention was this necklace and earring set. I thought it looked so pretty, and I was actually considering getting it. This is so pretty. I want to buy it. It's so pretty. Okay, so I want to switch up my foundation. I currently use the Giorgio Armani foundation, which is excellent, so I'll link it for you guys, but I really want to try something new. At Nykaa, I tried the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter. It's more of a tint, but it gives a really pretty glow, so I'll link that for you too if you're looking for something lightweight. I also wanted more coverage, so I went to Sephora. They recommended the Clinique Even Better Clinical Vitamin Makeup. The moment I tried it, I loved it. It looked super natural, had decent coverage, and a really nice glow. And the price was also similar to Giorgio Armani's. I also wanted to try another new loose powder. I currently use the Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder, which I love, but the lady recommended MAC, so I got that. I've taken this is a Clinique Even Better foundation, and it was really good when I tried it. I also got the MAC setting powder, so I'm changing from Kylie this time. Then I got these samples for free. Thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, okay, done. Thank you. Sephora one was a success. Now we're going to Birkenstock and then Uniqlo.
You will not end up liking that.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm not going to like the ones that are on discount. Let's see. I actually really wanted a pair of Birkenstocks this time for my 30th. I just wanted to be comfortable and casual rather than squeezing into tight, uncomfortable shoes and clothes. I just wanted a comfy outfit, comfy shoes, so I finally decided to get a pair. There were basically two choices, the beige one or the black one. I went for the OG black Birkenstock.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Congratulations.
Thank you. I got my Birkenstock. Okay, so Birkenstock done, makeup done, and now?
Where do you want to go? Uniqlo?
Now let's just go look and come back. Okay, so we decided not to go to Uniqlo because I just ordered something from Uniqlo online and I forgot. So Dorka nahi. Now we're gonna go eat something. Harley's. I really love Harley's. Don't you?
What?
Don't you love Harley's?
Yeah.
Hey, there are no restaurants that side. You want to look at the restaurants? No. We have to see this side. We didn't find any place that we wanted to go to upstairs. So there was a Korean place here. I don't remember the name. I don't know. Let's see. Or we just end up going to socials. Now I think he wants to go to Adidas. Okay, so we've come to Zara. আমরা এখন socials যাচ্ছি. Babe, I don't know if we'll get placed in socials. Can you not hear the music? It's coming from socials, I think. It's a Friday night. We have to go. Okay, so we've come to socials. We're just sitting outside. We made a booking, but it's for 1 hour after. So at 9, but এখন 8 কিছু বাজে. So we're just chilling here. We'll start. তারপর ভেতরে জায়গা পেলে we'll move inside. Manjot washroom এ গেছে. And there's a Mexican festival going on, so let's see. Socials in Whitefield has been renovated and it looks much better than it used to. We finally got a table inside and the Friday night vibe was so good with really pretty decor. We were really hungry, so you know what happens when Manjot and I get hungry. We order way too much food, so that's exactly what we did. We ordered both from the Mexican Mela and the OG Socials menu. So we got our first dish. There's a Mexican Mela going on, so we ordered this. This is the chips and guac. And this is the non-veg one. I think it has prawns or chicken. Okay. I took a lot. I'm just gonna cheers. How's it?
These are prawn crackers.
Ah. They're very nice. We got the fish tacos, looks really good. We've had the mezcalita ones, let's see if these are better. Good? Really? It's amazing. It's really, really good. It's really good. Okay, so I got a virgin Bloody Mary. Well, it's a Virgin Mary. And beer. Cheers. This is really good. Manjot, what have you ordered?
Butter chicken bao.
Oh, butter chicken bao is here. Good. Like I said, we had ordered way too much food. We tried to cancel this, but it was too late. So we got the chili chicken, pepper sauce, something fried rice. And I was like, nope, I don't want to, but I still took a bite. Manjot mixed it all for me. I know I said I don't like it here in this video, but actually I had it for the breakfast the next day and it was really good. Okay, আমরা socials থেকে বেরিয়ে পড়েছি. The food was so good. We're now gonna go home and we're actually thinking of watching a movie once we're home. I'll tell you guys in the car, but the food was really, really good. Okay, so it's 10. গাড়িতে বসে পড়েছি. I forgot, it's been so long since I've been to socials that I forgot how good socials food actually was. It was amazing. The fish tacos, mind-blowing. Way better than mezclita. And mezclita is really good. But I'm like really tired, so let's just go home. On our way home, we got a call that my friend had a little baby boy. We got so excited that we took a little detour to the hospital to meet him. Also, how cool is this? The hospital actually had a slide for kids instead of stairs. I'm so tired. Once we got back home, I quickly changed, took off my makeup and called it a night. Super excited for the next day because we had a very happening Saturday planned. And that's it for today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. It really means more than you know. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon in the next one.